Do you believe you can learn a language without spending a single cent? No paid apps, no expensive courses, no private tutors, just free resources available online. There are already enough free resources on the internet to take you from complete beginner to having real conversations in Thai. The problem isn't the lack of resources, it's knowing which ones to use and when to use them. Hi everyone, I'm Linlet, and over the years I've learned several languages, each one teaching me what works and what doesn't. In this video, I'm going to share the step-by-step roadmap I would use to learn Thai completely for free, from understanding your first words to reading Thai signs and having basic conversations. Whether you're planning to visit Thailand, live here, or you're simply interested in language, this roadmap will help you avoid wasting time and focus on what actually matters. So let's get started. Most beginners immediately search for Thai alphabet, but I wouldn't start there. Instead, spend the first few days simply getting familiar with the language. Listen to how Thai sounds, learn basic greetings and numbers, and pay attention to how people introduce themselves. At this stage, the goal isn't memorization. It's simply to get your ears used to Thai. Unless you're one of those people who's binge-watched enough Thai BL or dramas to get a diploma in it, you probably already know this.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Ajahn Netflix has already done the teaching, so let's move on to step 2. Now that you are familiar with how Thai sounds, it's time to tackle the Thai script. At first, 44 consonants, vowels in every direction, and tone rules can look overwhelming. But don't try to memorize everything at once. Start with a few consonants each day, focusing on recognition first. And don't just look at them, write them. Writing by hand helps you remember the shapes much better. You can practice along with videos from I Get Thais, which can help you work on both pronunciation and sounding more natural. For extra practice, you can download free Thai writing worksheets from ThaiPod 101, or if you prefer an app, you can use Write It Thai to practice stroke order. Once you're comfortable with the consonants, it's time to tackle Thai vowels and tones. Thai vowels can appear before, after, above, or below a consonant, so they can feel confusing at first. Start with the most common vowel patterns and practice combining them with the consonants you've already learned. Then comes the tricky part, tones. Thai has 5 tones, and the tone depends on things like the consonant class, vowel length, and final consonant. Don't try to memorize every rule at once. Learn the basic patterns, then practice them with real words through listening, repeating, and reading. I recommend I Get Thais for this part also. His channel explains Thai pronunciation and tone rules really clearly, and you can also download the Thai tone rules chart to keep beside you while practicing. If you are more of a textbook person, there's actually a book called Everyday Thai for Beginners that you can download for free. I've left the link in the description if you want to give it a try. Now that you can slowly sound out words, it's time to build vocabulary. But here's the mistake most people make. They memorize thousands of random words. Instead, learn words you'll actually use every single day. Food, transportation, shopping, directions, family, common verbs, and pronouns. And you don't need a fancy vocabulary course for this. For example, God Thai has a playlist that teaches common Thai vocabulary together with example sentences, so you can learn how the words are actually used. And once again, I recommend I Get Thais. There's a Word for You Today playlist where you can learn a new Thai word and gradually build your vocabulary day by day. The goal isn't to know as many words as possible. It's to learn useful words and actually use them. Now that you have some basic vocabulary, it's time to put everything together with grammar and immersion. At this stage, spend more time listening than studying. Watch Thai videos, read simple sentences, and pay attention to patterns. When you hear the same sentence structure again and again, grammar starts to feel much more natural. And don't forget to shadow. Whenever you hear a word or sentence, pause and repeat it out loud, even if you only understand a few words at first. Saying them out loud helps you get used to Thai pronunciation and sentence patterns. One resource I highly recommend is the YouTube Pocket channel, You Too Can Learn Thai. The host speaks clearly and provides both slow and natural speed versions, with plenty of podcast-style lessons covering different topics. Even better, every episode comes with free transcripts, so you can listen, read along, and check anything you don't understand. After every 5 episodes, there's also a listening test at natural speed to see how much you've improved. For the full episodes, you can also listen on Spotify or Patreon, which makes it easy to get more listening credits wherever you are. So, rather than spending hours memorizing grammar rules, listen, notice the patterns, and start using them yourself. Once you know a few hundred words, reading starts to become much more fun because you can finally recognize words around you. For extra credits, you can use LinkQ, which offers free lessons, stories, and content where you can practice reading and listening at the same time. If you are still at the beginner level, I also recommend Let's Read Asia. It has a variety of short, simple stories in different languages, including Thai, with cute illustrations that make reading much less intimidating. And here's a useful trick. When you come across a sentence you don't understand, use ChatGPT to break it down word by word and explain the grammar. Once you get more comfortable, try reversing the process. Translate a Thai sentence yourself, then ask ChatGPT to check your translation and explain any mistakes. Don't wait until you know enough Thai to start speaking. Start with what you already know. Shadow short sentences from native speakers, record yourself, and compare your pronunciation. If you don't have someone to practice with, you can also use ChatGPT for conversation practice, like role-playing a restaurant order or asking for directions. You don't need to speak perfectly, just start speaking. And that's the roadmap. Of course, these free resources won't magically make you fluent overnight, but if you follow these steps, you can make a lot of progress without spending a single cent. So, if you're learning Thai right now, save this video and come back to it whenever you're not sure what to study next. I'll drop the stage order and a couple of the specific resource types in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next one.